Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Wednesday despite an improvement in employment data which showed a higher than expected rise of 188,000 jobs in June versus the 160,000 expected. However, the greenback came under pressure anyway, ending the day at 1.3009 to the euro and 99.88 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro recovered after a weak start on Wednesday after data showed a higher than average rise in retail sales in May, which rose by 1% from minus 0.2% previously. The single currency ended the day at 1.3009 to the dollar and 129.93 to the yen. Today's main economic news will be the ECB's monthly policy meeting and the press conference afterwards, hosted by Mario Draghi. British pound. The pound rose on Wednesday after data showed a rise in services PMI in June to 56.9 from 54.9 when a fall had been forecast originally. Given services is the largest sector in the UK, this was good news for the pound. Sterling ended the day at 1.5278 to the dollar and 0.8512 to the euro. Today's data includes the results of the BOE monthly rate meeting. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Wednesday as a result of a rise in safe haven demand after data showed a slowdown in the Chinese services sector. Political instability in Portugal, where the finance and foreign affairs ministers unexpectedly resigned, also increased risk aversion. The yen ended the day at 99.88 to the dollar and 152.61 to the pound. Today's data includes a speech by Haruhiko Kuroda, the governor of the BOJ. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.296, with 1.304 and 1.31 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.296, which will call for a slide towards 1.292 and 1.2875. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.522, with 1.5305 and 1.5345 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.5022, which will call for 1.5018 and 1.5125. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 100.35 with targets at 99.1 and 98.7. The upside penetration of 100.35, which will call for 100.8 and 101.2. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.